On July 19th, 2024, Instagram introduced a feature that allowed users to add notes to posts and reels, enabling them to connect with friends over the content they were both viewing. However, months later, user engagement with the feature became less active and didn't do well as Instagram had anticipated, and eventually, users have now noticed that the option is no longer available. Now, in case you're one of those who might be wondering why you don't have the option anymore, here is what really happened. On March 6th, Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram, announced that they would be turning off the content notes feature effective April 3rd. He explained that this feature had been launched the previous year as a small test to determine if it could be a fun way to share thoughts or inside jokes about specific content. However, over time, they did not see enough user adoption to justify keeping it. So if you no longer see the option, it's because Instagram has officially discontinued it, and here is what Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram, said.
We're going to turn off content notes. If you don't know, content notes are the ability to add a note to a photo, a reel, or a carousel on Instagram that your friends can see but not everybody can see. And we launched it a few months ago in an effort to try to make Instagram more social and more fun. And in practice, it just wasn't adopted by that many people. And we know Instagram has become too complicated over the years. And one of the ways we want to address that is being willing to turn off features that aren't used by enough or that many people. And content notes is one of those features. We're going to continue to explore more ways of making Instagram fun and social and bring friends out in the experience, but content notes isn't it. So more things to come in terms of new features, but also in terms of things that we turn off. See y'all soon. Peace.